Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the instant visual search on your OPPO Find X9 and X9 Pro. So the first thing that you want to do is go over into the settings. Now in the settings, search for the snap key. And now click on the snap key right here. After you click on it, you will see the snap key. So this is our little action button on the left side. And what we can do next is select snap to mind space. Now, you will probably have it selected as do not disturb or turn it off completely, but we want to set it to snap to mind space. Now, let's go over and use it for, let's say, Instagram, as you guys can see. Now, let's go over and tap our snap key. As you guys can see, it's analyzing and it should be done in less than 5 seconds. Now we just click on our dynamic island and click on content added. Here we can ask the questions. So this is what we want to do. This is our instant visual search. And here we can try asking the AI to how to update Instagram, what is Instagram's update size, and can Instagram updates use, and it's probably mobile data. So let's ask how to update Instagram. As you guys can see, you get a short response and you get everything that was on the screenshot, like the estimated size of the update is 101 megabytes. Here you guys can, what is the purpose of updating Instagram? And it's probably to stay on the latest version. And as you guys can see, we can ask its questions. Now we can ask our question. So how to uninstall Instagram. So it should give us the answer. And as you guys can see, is the AI that tells us what to do on both of the devices. It's not optimized for only OPPO device. You still get the iOS tutorial, but it's because my prompt was really bad. And as you guys can see, this is how we can easily do it. Here we have our screenshot, here we have the info about the Instagram update, and now this is how you guys can easily ask the questions just by snapping and asking. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.